Welcome to a new blog. This is Moumita. The weekend morning starts with a visit to the doctor's clinic in the Waterway Point shopping mall in Punggol. Minnie had a fever during Diwali. The fever subsided, but it left her with a bad cough that made her unable to sleep peacefully at night. The doctor has prescribed a few cough syrups. Hopefully, they would help her sleep well from tonight, which in turn would help me to sleep well too. But right now, we are thinking about what to do with the rest of the day. The weekend crowd makes it hard to find a place in any cafe. Finding no place in Yakunkaya Toast, we somehow occupy a two-seater table in Hans and order ourselves 2 cups of tea and egg sandwiches. Meanwhile, another four-seater table becomes empty, allowing us to sit and enjoy our breakfast in a relaxed mood. But with Minnie in any scene, relaxation always becomes a distant dream. Her idea of relaxation is to roam wherever possible and get on our nerves. However, the Waterway Point Mall has some sale or other going on throughout the year. The sale prices are sometimes too attractive to ignore and pass by without taking a glance at the products on display. Books, toys, clothes, accessories, furniture, food, just name it and you will find it here. I had often indulged in impulsive shopping here in the past, and today is no different. But in my defense, I am not buying anything for myself this morning. I have been searching for a night dress for Minnie for some time, and looks like I have finally found something here. But the dresses look slightly oversized for Minnie. However, her height is increasing at a fast speed, so I think it's okay to have one or two oversized stuff in her wardrobe. Moreover, the price is also tempting, only 6 Singapore dollars per dress. So we buy 2 pieces in yellow and pink. Diwali has just ended, but Singapore is already gearing up for the Christmas. At least Daiso Japan is giving away the Christmas vibes. This budget-friendly store where you can purchase most of the items in 2 Singapore dollars has almost all the stationery and household stuff one can need. And with red and green Christmas decor items, the place looks adorable right now. I resist shopping here as we already have a Christmas tree in our storeroom and have no plans to add anything further to it. So even if my finger is itching to buy something, I ignore the urge. See how much control I have on myself? But Minnie has no control as she jumps on a toy food truck before the Daiso store, and her parents stand there helplessly watching her antics. The Waterway Point shopping mall also has a long choo-choo train on its terrace, a good reason to give a headache to the parents. We have to always remind Minnie that she had already enjoyed a ride on this train a few years back, and so riding it again is out of the question. Thankfully, she doesn't throw tantrums today for the choo-choo train, but she also makes it difficult for us to sit even for a minute and enjoy the nice weather outside. Who would believe that she is unwell? And when sitting in one place finally starts looking like an impossible task, we order some egg rice from OK as a takeaway, as I couldn't cook today because of the early morning visit to the doctor. Anyway, I don't mind this break from the kitchen. It would be a nice change to head back home and enjoy already cooked egg rice after freshening up. That's it for this blog today. If you have liked this video, please don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe buttons. While I will meet you in the next one soon.